To reset a Xiaomi Smart Camera C100, first of all, you will have to find the reset button, which is located actually on the left side of your camera. And now you will have to click and hold this button for around 7 seconds until this LED light on the front starts blinking orange. So we are looking for this one.
Device booting. Please wait.
There we go. And now after you can hear that prompt voice, you can release. And we have to just wait for the reset process. It will actually take around few moments. The reset will be complete. And also you have to open that Xiaomi application to remove that camera from your device. So we have to click here to delete the device, click to OK, and just wait for this deleting process. As you can see now, the camera disappears from our Xiaomi account and the Xiaomi application. Thanks for watching this one, and please hit the like button.